Hi, this is Teresa from TeresaMLovelace.com. Do people know who you are? Are you recognizable? Do people associate your name with value? If the answer to these questions is no, then you need to change your game plan, because the only way you're going to make it in this industry is if you become a person of value, delivering value on a daily basis. You know value. That's what the top earners say you have to provide every day to people who may be struggling with something. There are a lot of network marketers out there who need help. They don't know how to do certain things. They need tips and strategies. And by you providing that value to them, you can become a leader in their eyes. And what happens when you become a leader? Well, people want to be around leaders because leaders have answers. You want to get people to notice who you are. You want people to be attracted to you. You have to put out the value. Now, you might say, well, I don't know anything about marketing. I'm struggling myself. Well, the cool thing is you can learn about any topic you want. Watch a video, attend a webinar, read a book, go to a company event, take notes at whatever you're hearing, whatever you're listening to, and then make some, bite-sized pieces of content and share it out into the marketplace. Write a blog post, do a video like this one, go live. There's so many ways you can put out that value, put out what you learn, share what you learn with people who are in need of those particular answers. You don't have to be an expert yet, but by doing this on a regular basis, you're going to become sort of an expert, and people are going to be looking at you for more value. So now, what exactly is value? Value is content, and you get that content by what I just said. Learning something and then rewriting it or putting your own spin on it and sharing it back into the marketplace. Now, today I want to talk specifically about webinars, because webinars are a good way to get value. Now, I've heard people say, well, I don't have time to sit and watch a webinar. I don't have time for that. The good thing about a webinar is that you can attend the webinar at different times. Usually there are options. You can watch it in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. And even if you can't watch it at the specific times that are given, you can still register with a webinar and then watch a recorded version of it. This is one of the simplest ways to get content. And by you getting content from watching a webinar, you now have value that you can provide to people who need to know this information. Webinars are not long. They're usually 60 to 90 minutes. They are, as I said, you can customize it to whatever time you want. They're always about a specific topic. So if you have something that you're specifically interested in, you can sign up for that webinar and get that particular content. They're given by leaders, people who have tried those strategies and found that they work, and they're working for them now. So you can implement these things right away. And then most of the time, if it's a live webinar, you have the opportunity to ask questions and get your answers in real time. So webinars are a good way for you to enhance what you already know, but it's also a way to get content that you can share into the marketplace. So my message here is attend webinars, learn something new, create content, and then share the value. In this way, people will begin to note who you are. They'll begin to see that you have some good information that they can use, and they'll follow you. They'll be attracted to you, and they'll be always looking for more from you. That's it for today. I hope you got some value from this. And if so, please leave a comment, and share. And if you want my free ebook on how you can build relationships on social media, just message me and I'll send it right out to you. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. Bye.